Hello, good day friends. In today's video, we are going to see how you can fix YouTube not working problem in Oppo. So let's start. First, let's open YouTube. Let's say if you are facing this problem, it means you are not connected to the internet or mobile data. As you can see, my mobile data and internet both are off. Let's connect to the Wi-Fi. Now, after connecting, you can see my YouTube is working absolutely fine. Now, if you are still facing the problem, then click on YouTube, hold for a few seconds, and this menu will pop up. Go to App Info, then tap on Storage Usage. Tap on Clear Cache and close all the tabs. From this method, your YouTube will also start working. But if you are still facing this problem, so make sure you are not connected with any VPN. So as you can see, I have not connected with any VPN. And also make sure your mobile time and date is also correct. To check that, go to your settings, then scroll down, then go to Systems and Update, and here you will see time and date option, and enable both these options. After enabling that, you can see the YouTube is working absolutely fine. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like and I will see you in next video.